Hello, Divine Souls. I welcome all of you who have tuned into this channel and those who are on the journey of reuniting with their divine counterpart, twin flames, and soulmates. This is your friend, your guide, your divine help, Vijay, to guide you on this journey. And if you want to share your issues and discuss with me, then I will always be there for you. Right? I'm a spiritual healer and a life coach and a mentor for your twin flame journey. If you don't find anyone to share your story, your issues related to your spiritual journey, or anything which you don't find anyone to share with, someone around, then please break the silence and reach out to me. I will try my level best to help you and guide you as per the divine guidance, right? You can always contact me at my Instagram, same as the channel name, or write your story to my story for tds222@gmail.com and engage with me on a one-to-one session. For the people who have arrived at my channel for the first time and listening to this audio message, I would request you to kindly like, share and subscribe the channel so that the message reaches out to the maximum of the twin flame community. Okay, so let's start with the today's channeling. Today I bring to you the channeling for the divine feminines and divine masculines both. Now the channeling was in my mind, at top of my mind, since quite few days, and I kept on postponing these channelings. But I don't know why today I am having a very urge and strong push from the divine to do this channeling. I don't know who needs to hear this, but I suppose the channeling might help you. And mostly I would urge the twin flames to not indulge in any sort of a channeling which comes 3 times a day or 10 times a week, where people are saying every now and then what the DM is doing, what the DF is doing, right? In morning they serve you with the channeling, like a breakfast channeling, then a lunch channeling, then the dinner channeling. It's not required at all. Okay, stay away from such kind of addiction of listening to the channelings. It is not good for your twin flame journey. It is not good for your own mental health as well. Okay, getting attached to anyone or anything so much, be it a twin flame channeling or be it a YouTube channel also. So and also those tarot card readers who are providing the tarot card updates for like what will happen in your twin flame journey in the next 48 hours or next 72 hours, what the heck, twin flame journey is going to finish off in next 48 hours or what, right? So please stay away from such channelings, such tarot card readers, and let God decide what happens in your journey. Don't try to chase things or get addicted to any sort of channelings. Okay, so having said that, now let's start with today's channeling. So in the last few weeks I had stopped giving energy updates, right? And I had myself been facing many sort of issues with me, so I had stopped these channelings, the energy updates. So meanwhile, what the DFs were going through, the divine feminines were, is that recently you have been very much frustrated, you have been sick, bored of this journey, and most of the divine feminines have started a quarrel with the God or the universe also, because they have either given up on this journey or they are on the verge of giving up on this journey. They're feeling a sense of, I won't say hopelessness, but yes, divine feminines had put up so much of hard work, so much of dedication and so much of efforts for this journey, that now they are completely exhausted. वो थक चुके हैं, बहुत कोशिश कर लिया, बहुत मेहनत कर लिया, बहुत उम्मीदें लगा ली, तो अब वो थक चुके हैं इस जर्नी से. They were exhausted also because, if you have noticed, a very rare phenomena have recently been repeating in your life. Many of the past events or many of the past cycles, similar cycles is again happening in your life, almost at the same timeline, almost at same places, almost with same people, right? तो जो घटनाएं आपके लास्ट 10, 5, 1 साल में हुआ है, the events that had occurred in your life in last 10 years, in last 5 years, in last 1 years, same event in almost same time frame is repeating exactly as it had happened initially, right? So most of you might have not understood why is this happening, again and again, why such things are happening, but the cycles are repeating for the divine feminines. So if I tell you why it is happening, then it is because for your issues to come to the surface and to get healed, and also because in past when similar events had occurred, then you chose a different way for yourself, you chose a different option where you were supposed to choose the other option, right? So if similar events are happening again, then I'll urge you to please choose a different way of dealing with the same situation for this time, and don't repeat the consequences similar to what you chose in past. Okay, so dears are basically very much completely exhausted at the moment. You are tired of waiting for your divine masculine, you are tired of your inner work, you are tired of the regular pattern of doing inner work, meditation and all. You want a break from life, right? You want something new to happen. And most of the divine feminines had even given up doing inner work meanwhile, right? Please tell this point, confirm this point if it resonates to you. Most of the divine feminines had already given up doing inner work. Some stopped doing inner work for a month, some stopped doing inner work for weeks, but most of the divine feminines recently had stopped giving up. Recently, in last few months and few weeks, had given up doing inner work, or their pattern had been heavily disturbed. And now again, one by one, the divine feminines have started building interest in doing their inner work again. So they are getting back to track again slowly. But your regular inner work had been disrupted meanwhile. Okay, so divine feminines feel stuck. They feel like time has stopped for you. Divine feminines want to see results. They want things to move fast. They are giving up on their patience, and you want to see the results desperately from within. Some action, some movement, some clue, something to happen. But to be true, nothing is happening at all, right? It feels like a stagnant lake or a stagnant sea where everywhere you don't see any movement happening in your life. So at the moment, and divine feminines are also feeling that the things that you are waiting for to happen in your life might now possibly not happen at all, right? So you're kind of doubting yourself that whether the things that you are waiting to happen somewhere inside, is it really going to happen, or you are just being fooled, you are just having false hopes, right? So that is your kind of a thought process these days. Divine feminines are thinking that whatever they are expecting to happen in their life, especially concerned to the twin flame journey, it's somewhere now impossible to happen. Those things will not happen, and you are in a dire need of a clue from the universe that please show me something based on which I can wait more further, because either now the divine feminines want the pattern to end, the wait to end, or they want to catch hold of something, you know, some clue, something, some changes to happen, so that they can rely that some positive things are going to happen in this connection. Else they are getting a bit finicky, a bit negative regarding, positive outcome in this connection. So, having said all these things, so let me tell you some good things, my divine feminines. In my last channelings, I had told you that abundance is coming for you guys, right? So now the time has started for you guys, where in coming few weeks, right, after this new moon, which was yesterday, after this new moon, in coming weeks time, you guys please be ready. Abundance will start being getting flowed in your lives, okay? And for some of the divine feminines, abundance has already started coming in, right? You will be blessed and showered with financial issues. You might be dealing with the financial issues. Yes, recently most of the divine feminines have been dealing with the financial issues also. I'd like to tell you right now. Some of them might have lost your job. Some of them might have not got the business deal done, right? Or some of them might be waiting for the money to be come back, but the money got stuck. Nobody returned your money which you had lended to someone. So somewhere or the other, there was a heat or a crunch which the divine feminines had felt, particularly related to finance of lately, right? But with the flow of abundance coming in slowly now, after this new moon, abundance will flow in your life. Abundance in terms of finance, of course. Your financial issues will be on track of getting resolved. New relationships, okay, new people, new things, and new beginnings is coming in your life, okay? And please mention if it has already started for some of the star divine feminines, right? For the star divine feminines who are more in tune with aligned with the universe, for them the abundance has already started also since the beginning of the month. But for the others, the time period has started, and in few weeks most of the divine feminines will come out of their financial issues, and in few months all the divine feminines will have resolved their financial issues, okay? For confirmation of this message, you might be seeing 111, 555, and most specifically 369. This number might be shown to most of the divine feminines mostly or very frequently, 369. And also any number pattern where number 6 is being shown. Some of the divine feminines are also being shown number 36 and number 37. So this is the confirmation, okay? And whenever you see this number 6 involved with any number combination, so it's also a hint to keep your emotions at track. So you guys need to be on a balanced state as much as possible, as you have been doing right now, okay? Most of the divine feminines have also been seeing snakes and twin snakes, snakes mating, having their mating in the internet, or pics of snakes, couple snakes, twin snakes and all. So why it is happening is because many of your ancestral healing has been done. Divine feminines have settled with their karmas in the sense, divine feminines have been yeah. So when you see snakes around, it is because many of your ancestral pattern, ancestral healing is being done, right? It also signifies that abundance is coming in your life, right? If you are seeing twin snakes, then it also means that union is coming near for you, right? So it's a very good luck sort of a sign. It's a very auspicious sign to see snakes, especially twin snakes, right? Especially twin snakes. So it signifies, coming of positivity in your life, abundance, and love. Love is going to come in your life, okay, in some way or the other. Not necessarily twin flame only, but in some way or the other, you'll be feeling loved in coming time. So DFs need not worry after hearing this message. New beginning is on the cards, right? New things, new relationships, new people is going to come in your life and fill your life with lots of positivity. Whatever finances issues you have been dealing with is going to end soon, and the process of or the beginning of the good times has started for the DFs. So please cheer up and stay positive to receive the blessings, okay? Having said that, last time also I told and warned that now broadly there has been two types of DF category which I can see, right? One category of the DFs are following the channelings, following the guidance, and they are being detached from their DM. They are having control on the temptation. They are not going back to their DMs energetically or chasing them anywhere. And moreover, they are moved on in their life. Someone has even picked up their sole purpose, and doing all sort of things, basically focusing on themselves, their health, career, family, and themselves. They are getting into a mode of self-love and mastered also, right? They have gone quite ahead. Now they don't worry about the twin flame connection or they're coming back or so, sort of, and energetically they don't miss their divine masculines to the level which they used to miss initially, right? They're busy focusing on themselves. But there are also those set of divine feminines who are still longing for the memories of the divine masculines, and they are not able to detach themselves from the idea of this twin flame connection. They are so much obsessed with this connection that even at the time when the divine masculines are going through their awakening, and it is suggested to be detached, so that one, it helps the awakening process of the divine masculine, because when the awakening of divine feminines had happened, it only happened because the divine masculine were not attached to the divine feminine. And similarly, the awakening of divine masculine can only happen when the divine feminines are not attached to the divine masculine. That is the reason why I suggested to please get detached. But there are other set of DFs also who are not detached, and they are still longing for this connection to happen. They are missing their DMs and getting emotional, sentimental and all. So what is happening to those set of divine feminine especially is that although abundance and new beginning is coming on, it's on the card for divine feminines, but it will not resonate to those divine feminines who are still missing their divine masculines, who cannot get rid of the idea of twin flame connection, who want anyhow their divine masculine to get back into your life. They are in very much energy of obsession. Like if they are not changing on Facebook, then mentally they are keep on thinking about the divine masculine, right? So those sort of divine feminines who are trying to get back to divine masculine in some way or the other, either energetically, telepathically, or anyway, they are feeling a sensation of heaviness, suffocation, a confused state of mind, body pains, and increased heartbeat. It is all because their divine masculine is also having the same, and the mirror effect, they are just inviting the mirror effect onto them of what the divine masculine is going through, right? And I suppose I should not be saying again and again detached. If you learn and practice this habit of being detached, well and good. If not, then God save you and your connection. Okay. So now we come to the divine masculines. Divine masculines, karma clearing has already started. Karma clearing in a sense means that getting their account settled with the third party situation or the karmic situation in their life. You can just see how the divine feminines had settled their account with any sort of a person which they had in their life in past few months, last year. So the same thing, the same cycles are going to happen in the divine masculine's life also. People or the person who are in their life and not serving any purpose to them, and with whom they had a karmic connection, all those connections will get shut down. All those connections will get ended up very soon. The process has already started, and at the same time their awakening will also happen. Okay, so recently what happened is that I got a cut in my finger while I was doing some kitchen work, and I also got a burn on my hand. Okay, but surprisingly both the cut and the burn which I got, it left the impression, the burn marks is there on my hand, but surprisingly I felt no pain at all, right? So I can say that what I could derive from this incident is that the pain which I got, physical injuries and all which I saw, and the marks of the burn and all, everything, it was a reflection that what the majority of the people of the twin flames community, and especially divine masculines, are going through, right? They are having some serious level of awakening, which also includes facing some health issues, facing injuries, and facing accidents, minor and major also. Okay, not mostly major accident, but yes, minor accident. So it signifies that they are having some health issues, some accidental things happening in their life, some mishap happening in their life which they never wanted to, or something faulty going in their life pattern, some injuries they are getting, or someone might even be being physically abused by someone. Okay, those sort of things are happening in their life, and so whatever the situation the divine masculines are into at the moment, it is haunting them like hell, right? They are completely willing to want to break the chain. Rather, they want to break the chain and come out of the situation where they are, or with the people with whom they are dealing. From the inner core they want to come out, but they also have a fear due to which they cannot come back from the situation. So what the fear divine masculine is having is basically, it's the feeling of fear of being rejected terribly by the divine feminines, because in the past the divine masculine has already done some absurd thing, some foolish things, and now they fear that if they come back for a help or to discuss anything with the divine feminine, then even the divine feminine will retaliate and they will not welcome them or have a dialogue with them. So they don't want to come. So what is happening, their mental frame of mind is that they do miss the divine feminines. They are done with the people or the third party situations they are dealing to, which have not ended yet, and they take a step forward and they again take a step back. So back and forth is happening much mentally. They are juggling with many issues these days, not one or two but many issues: career, finance, relationships, family, friends, people, karmic, right? So, and they are isolated, right? And they can't find a shoulder to cry upon anyone. They are not having any reliable or trustworthy friends. Everyone has given up on them, or most of the people which they thought will be helpful for them in such distressful time, they have backstabbed them already. Okay. All this is happening mostly with those lives of the divine masculines where the divine feminines have detached themselves, because the divine feminines were the good luck for the divine masculines, and when their good luck is not with them at the moment, they are gasping for positive things to happen in their life. They are having this feeling of breathlessness. Nothing is working out. Then anyone would, feel like that. Okay. No progress in career, no progress in finance, no progress in business, nothing good in the work environment, and moreover, at the moment, the work environment for the divine masculines have become very, very stressful. Right? For any reason, work environment at the moment for them have become very, very stressful these days. They can't take the stress anymore. Now we might say that if someone might have seen the recent pictures or photos of them, they might have shown some happy snaps and all. So again, you should not be relying on those photos. Please be intuitive and actually get to know that you should not be trusting such happy photos or happy updates from the divine masculine. It is just that they are showing from outside. They are having some major missing feelings for the divine feminine. They are also having a feeling of regret with what happened to this connection. They don't want to give up on this connection, but they don't want to accept it also. They don't want to come forward and accept this connection. Some DMs are feeling so insecure, and they are having this sense of feeling out of the out of the blue. These things come in their mind that the DFs might have moved on in their life, and now DFs are happy with some new relationships in their life, right? Because the DFs are not giving them energy and not contacting with them. So divine masculines are thinking this way, that DFs, divine feminines, have moved on in their life and started with a new relationship. So to find this out, divine masculines are stalking the divine feminines silently, okay, and they're trying to grab as much information or update regarding the divine feminine, right? And yes, sometimes when I do those channelings of some missing songs and some emotional songs, then what happens is that at the moment when such channelings happen, there is a stimulation parallel which goes on to divine masculine. So any divine masculine who is trying to move out of this connection, right, again there is a emotional roller coaster ride that is reflected on the divine masculine also, right? So although the divine feminines are suggested to be detached, but sometimes if the divine feminines get emotional hearing any song or any past moments or any such kind of a memories, then in that situation the divine masculine, no matter how much they had geared up to move out of this connection, they again come back to square one, right? So they are not able to move out of this connection, and they are not able to take any step further also to welcome this connection, okay? So they are completely in a fixed situation. Yes, there are few DMs also who are so much coward, right? They are so much coward that they just wish that they don't have to do anything hard in this connection. They just wish that why don't the DFs get married to someone else naturally, and they won't have to come back, they won't have to do anything, because already the divine feminines must be getting married to someone else. So this is a kind of some coward, extreme coward divine masculines also is having this wish that somewhere if they get to hear, or the divine feminine chooses someone else in their life, then it will be an easy walkout for them from this connection, right? That it was not their fault, she married or he married, then What should I do? I could have come back, but I could not now, right? Doors are closed. So those kind of wish also some of the coward DMs are doing at the moment. And those who are willing, trying to move out or planning to move out from this connection, the divine masculines are not being able to. Now, one more very, very strong channeling is that there is an elderly lady figure in your divine masculine's life, which the divine masculines trusts very much. Can be divine masculine's close friend, elderly lady figure, a very strong personality figure with some narcissistic traits, divine masculine's mother, divine masculine's elder sister, or divine masculine's love interest who is elder to divine masculine. Okay, so anyone with the elderly lady figure is doing some serious kind of a black magic, some spells on your divine masculine, so that the divine masculine stays in control of this lady. And because of this also, their finances, their mental health, their thinking ability, everything has got impacted, right? So you might be knowing better if you think intuitively whom I am referring to, right? It is not applicable to all the divine masculines, but most of the divine masculines are, or some of the divine masculines are, under the influence of this elderly lady figure in their life who is doing some dark work on the divine masculine. It is not now that they started, they have been doing since long. But now is that they have been doing more, or they have been doing repeatedly on a divine masculine. Okay. So you need not worry about that. Nothing will happen to a divine masculine, right? And very soon the lady will reveal herself to your divine masculine. The true side or the true picture of the such lady, who is manipulating a divine masculine, will come on the surface, and your divine masculine will know the real truth. All this is happening because the divine masculine, all this happened because the divine masculine trusts this lady figure blindly, right? The divine masculine trusts so much that she might be giving anything to eat to a divine masculine, or anything to wear, anything to do, and the black magic can happen very easily because she is in a very close connection with this divine masculine. Might be a blood connection also, a close relative or a close friend, or the love interest, or the third person with whom your divine masculine is dealing at the moment. Okay, the divine masculine trusts this very person, and this person is doing black magic. Okay, sooner the person will reveal themselves. Okay, no worries about that. So having provided those updates, I'll give you some suggestions which will be very light and easy to implement. So I'll suggest all the twins who is hearing this channeling to kindly relax and enjoy the moment. Okay, mostly you need to choose to go with the flow. Whatever happening is in your life, whether positive, negative, don't worry about that. Just go with the flow. Trust that universe is in control of the situation, and whatever is happening will land up to you for a better place, is happening for a better reason. Like it is said in Bhagavad Gita, जो भी हुआ अच्छा हुआ, जो हो रहा है वो अच्छा हो रहा है, और जो होगा वो भी अच्छा होगा. Right? Meditate on your heart space, on your root chakra and your throat chakra. On this chakra, it will be very easy for you right now also, to connect to these chakras at the moment, at this time. You might be bored out of, waiting for a twin flame and all, and you might be thinking to move, choose a new connection, but I'll suggest you to please maintain celibacy. Okay, do not engage in any other relationship. It's a very strong suggestion which I'm giving you to twin flames. Please maintain celibacy, else the same template will get reflected onto your twin also. Right? So may the angels guide you, provide you with the divine connection. Okay, you keep doing your best, surrender to the divine, I urge you to please stay positive with lots of love, peace, and light. Okay, and thanks for hearing my channel. If you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe the channel and also hit the notification bell. And I pray to God to enlighten all the souls and fill their heart with immense love, kindness, and divinity. This is your friend Vijay signing off for now, and God bless.